Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge Asana with Dubsado. This integration will help you streamline your project management and client management workflow. So let's get started. Asana and Dubsado are both powerful tools for managing different aspects of your business. By merging them, you can ensure that your client projects are well organized and all in one place. I will walk you through the process step by step. Firstly, log in both your Asana and Dubsado account. Make sure you have administrative access to both platforms to set up the integration. Then go to the Zipper account, a Zipper account which connect different apps and automates workflow. If you don't have a Zipper account, sign up for a free one. So then you need to create a Zap. Then you need just click on the new Zap. Then you'll see a trigger option and the action are available on there. So just click on the trigger option and you'll see Asana and Dubsado and both and all other apps are available there. Select the Asana for trigger, then choose the event. Like I'll choose new tasks. Then click on the continue and again the continue. Choose a workspace. Uh, I'll choose my workspace. Then choose a project like video 100. Then click on the continue. You'll see a test your trigger. We started collecting tags in your, like it's my Gmail account. We'll find the most recent one to confirm your trigger to set up correctly. If no tags are found, you'll need to create them. So just click on the test trigger. Then you can select continued selected record and the second option, which is the choose action. So for this, I will choose Dubsado. Then you need to again choose the event. So I will choose the ultimate action like custom action. Then I'll click on the continue. Again continue. Then I'll select the publish option. So my JEP is on. So your Asana tags will now automatically create project or tags in Dubsado. Here are a few tips for using the Asana and Dubsado integration. Regularly review your Zap settings, update your triggers and action as needed, and monitor the integration for any issue. And that's how you manage and merge Asana with Dubsado. This integration will help you streamline your workflow and manage your project more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks everyone.